What if I told you there's a way out of this universe through a wormhole? Let's talk about that. First, we need a black hole. Think like this. This is the black hole. Okay? In order to perform a wormhole, there need to be another black hole. This is the second black hole. If we think there are parallel universes, this is universe 1 and this is the universe 2. Universe 2. Okay? In order to perform a wormhole, there need to be two black holes and the bridge that connects those two black holes is the wormhole. This is the wormhole. Wormhole. Okay. So and currently we don't know whether there is a parallel universe or there are wormholes or anything, but there is a concept. Albert Einstein and Nathan Rosen discovered that there can be wormholes if there are two black holes, but not all black holes have the wormholes. Okay, not all the wormholes are transversible. Transversible means in order to go through a multi universe, the wormhole need to be transversible, because when there's a black hole and the wormhole, it can shut down very quickly. The wormhole area is very volatile. It shut down as soon as something goes through that. So if that happened when we go through the wormhole and it shut down, we can't come back, and also we don't know where it will go. Okay, also we currently know that in the black hole there is a singularity area. Okay, so first you need to pass down that singularity area as well in order to go through that second black hole. Let's talk about that as well. This is the concept that we talk today. This is the universe 1 and think this is the earth, and from earth we need to go to a spaceship and go through this first black hole and go through all the way down there and release from the new universe. This new universe have all the different planets, stars, and different physics, chemistry, biology, everything can be different, so different. Okay, we imagine the aliens come towards us with very high speed, more than the speed of the light, but maybe they are using wormholes to travel through the universe and also travel from another universe to here. We never know. Let's talk about the black hole and the wormhole concept in deep. Okay. Okay. So this is the black hole. Okay. And black hole looks like this. Wait. Black hole looks like this. Okay, this is the opening and this is the singularity area that I have talked earlier. Okay, this is the singularity area. This is black hole opening. When we get to the when we go through the spaceship, and then here and there, here, and when you come to this place, and in this place the gravitational force is super high. Okay, super high gravitational force. It attracts everything, even the light. Even the light cannot escape the black hole. Okay, it attracts everything. That's why we indicate it like this. Okay, it attracts everything surrounding to one simple point. Okay, this point is called the singularity. If we think like imagine if a human can reach to this point, and he can surpass and come to this point. From this point onward he became like this, he became taller. Why is that? Because of this. In this point our feet attract higher to the singularity area than our head area. So it's like we stretch, and finally we stretch and we destroy. This process is called the spaghettification. When this everything that comes to this point, even planets, high this area high attracts, this area low attracts, and this makes the stretch and it destroys. This called is spaghettification. So in order to travel through this one black hole, we need to do something to this singularity area high gravitational force. Otherwise we cannot pass this area. And also in the other black hole, uh, the second universe, this is second universe, and this is the that black hole singularity. Yeah, both in one place. If there are two black holes and connecting, this is the wormhole. As you can see, wormhole is like a funnel. Okay, we need to do something to this, otherwise we can't pass through. This is like a checkpoint. Singularities area is like a checkpoint, remember that. So let's see what we can do in order to go through this space. Okay, this is the opening of the first black hole. This is the opening of the second black hole, and this is the wormhole. Okay, I expanded this, and this is the singularity area. Okay, no one can pass through this area theoretically, but there is a possibility. But if we use exotic matter, okay, exotic matter have negative energy, negative power, it detract everything. If there is something, if there's a thing that attract everything in its surrounding, if we place exotic energy there, it can detract and neutralize that area, neutralize force. That means if there is force for this area, this direction, and by using the uh, exotic matter, we can make force to this direction. And finally, if the black force is equal to the blue force, the it can neutralize. Okay, so first we need to find the exotic matter. We haven't found the exotic matter yet. Okay, but one day we will. When we found out the exotic matter, we need to collect those exotic matter, and we need to build a powerful spaceship, and put that exotic matter in that spaceship, and then uh, we need to take that spaceship near the black hole, like this. Make sure that black hole need to be have the wormhole. So we need to identify that as well, whether this black hole has a wormhole. If we identify it, yes, it has a wormhole as well, then we can load the exotic matter to the spaceship, enough exotic matter. Okay, sometimes exotic matter can be very little, and that can't produce enough force to fight with the singularity area. Okay, S area, singularity area. Okay, if there is enough exotic matter, yes, it can fight. Okay, think like this. This is the spaceship with the exotic matter. This is the exotic matter, and this spaceship go through our universe, and enter to the I will draw this opening of the black hole in a different color. Okay, this is the opening, and spaceship go there, and with enough force. Remember, this spaceship need to have a huge force to fight against the gravitational force in the black hole area. Otherwise, it can't surpass this. Even it need to be faster than light to go through this, because light also can't come out from this area. Okay, in order to we need to break this barrier. If we one day we will break the barrier and spaceship reach this area, and then spaceship need to release that exotic matter here. This is the exotic matter in the singularity area. Okay, now I will show what will happen once we release the exotic matter in the singularity area of a wormhole. Okay, this is the wormhole. Okay, this is the singularity. Singularity attract everything on its surrounding. It has a huge gravitational power. Even light can't escape. Okay, then now we have exotic matter. Now I erase this, and now we have exotic matter. Exotic matter have the negative energy and repulsive energy that can detract everything. It has the power to detract everything. High force. Now, when if we have enough exotic matter that can balance out the power that attract toward the singularity uh, by using the exotic matter, when power of the exotic matter that detract equals the power of singularity area that attract, then this area will be neutralized. There will be no force adding and no force distracting. So now it became like a bridge, a passage. Now we can easily go through this area with our spaceship, which contains human. The first spaceship we used to travel the exotic matter there should not have humans, because we don't know what will happen during the journey, and also it has the exotic matter that can be huge problem if human was also there. So now the bridge is open, and now we can easily go through this area as humans. Now we know, now no stratification will happen, because the gravitational force is no stronger. Sometimes it can be very little, because we don't know the exact exotic matter we need, and also that can be vary depend on the black hole and depend on its condition. So we can take enough exotic space and put some there, and we can reduce the gravitational force very much to make it a safe passage for us to go through here and there. Not all wormholes can lead to new universe. Sometimes, if we go through a one black hole and then wormhole, and that can lead to a different area in our same universe. That can also happen. Okay, it may not be multi-universal, but there's a possibility of happening. Both are advantage for us, because we can't travel through our known space in even in speed of light to find exoplanets. We can use this as a shortcut. Think like this: if think you are an ant on top of an apple. Okay, you need to go to the bottom of the apple. Either you can go around the apple and reach to the bottom, or uh, you can eat the apple and find a passage way down to the bottom of the apple. Okay, that's what we do. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the apple, and here you are. You can go through all the down here to reach here. This is very long distance, or you can quickly go through here. This is the wormhole. This is the wormhole that I'm talking. Okay, by going through a wormhole, if this is a new universe, universe 2, uh, universe 2, and this is the universe 1, you can easily go through multi-universe by using wormholes. Yes, there is a possibility. as you can see. This is how you can do by going through a wormhole using the exotic matter as the key. Okay, wormholes shut down very quickly. I think it's like an elevator that shut down quickly once it go through flow by flow by flow. But by using a crossbar, when you use that to trap the doors of the elevator in one flow, it will not shut down. It will not become volatile. That crossbar is the exotic matter that I discussed here. Okay, so first we need to find a black hole that has the wormhole. Then we need to find the how much gravitational force it has, and then we need to find the exotic matter in that amount to make the distraction force. And then we need to make a spaceship that can contain this exotic matter, and then we need to travel that spaceship there to the singularity area and release it, and then humans can have a safe passage to go through the wormhole. Opening is one black hole, and uh, output is another black hole. That's how we can that's how a wormhole can lead to a new universe, based on what we talked. Okay, I will come with another new idea, with a new hypothetical idea. We are all curious about these kind of topics. Until then, peace out.